Hi guys, welcome back. This week is a short week, so I'm going to get right into it, give you guys some extra time to practice. Today we're going to be talking about volumes of pyramids, and a type of pyramid is cones. We'll see that as well. Just a quick little picture with volume. The volume of pizza is pizza. All right. So, types of pyramids. A pyramid is a 3D shape with some polygon base, where each of the sides of the polygon meet up to be a point, making each side a triangle, okay? So our first type is a special case because there are no triangular sides, but it does meet at a point on top. All right, so we'll talk about that one first. But the volume of pyramids is going to be 1/3 times the base times the height. The base is going to be the area of the polygon base, no matter what type of polygon it is, and the height is going to be the height of whatever the pyramid is, okay? So first we're going to start with the volume of a cone or a circular pyramid. All right, so plugging in our base formula, volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. Pi r squared is going to be the area of our circular base. Pi, we're going to use 3.14. Please do not use anything other than 3.14. H is going to be the height of our cone, and r is going to be the radius of the circular base. So our first example, we have this picture here, and we'll start by plugging things in. Volume equals 3.14 times our radius is 7 times 7, times our height is 18, and all of that times 1/3. So now, since multiplication is commutative, we can multiply things randomly. So volume equals 3.14 times 7 is 49. 18 times 1/3 times 6. Okay? So then I'm going to multiply my 49 and my 6. Volume equals 3.14 times 294. When I multiply that, volume is going to equal 923.16 units cubed. Make sure you include that cubed on the end of our unit. And we round to the nearest hundredth. Okay? Next, the volume of a triangular pyramid. Okay, so volume is going to equal 1/3 times 1/2 times base times height prime times height. Okay, 1/2 times base times height prime is going to be the area of the triangle's base. Okay, height prime is going to be the height of the triangle, and b is going to be the length of the base of the triangle. Okay, so we have this picture here. Volume is going to equal 1/3 times 1/2 times 6, our base, times 5, our height, times 10, okay? So multiplying my middle part, volume equals 1/3 times 15 times 10. Volume equals 1/3 times 150. And lastly, volume equals 50 meters cubed, okay? So I'm just taking it one step at a time, multiplying what I can multiply, and then finally getting to the end, all right? If you need to go over this at a slower pace, you can, all right? Next, we have volume of a rectangular pyramid. So this is going to be 1/3 times length times width times height. Okay, length times width is the area of my rectangular base. Length is going to be the length of that rectangle, and width is W is going to be the width of the rectangle. So we have this picture here. All right, so volume equals 1/3 times 8 times 5, the length and the width of the base, times 15, my height. Volume equals 1/3, 40 times 15. Volume equals 1/3 times 600. Volume equals 200 centimeters cubed. All right, take it step by step to get to the end, making sure we use cubed for our units. All right, pentagonal pyramid. This is going to be the most difficult one we're going to see. All right. Volume equals 1/2 times 5s times a times h. Okay, so we know 1/2 times 5s times a is the area of the pentagonal base. Okay, s is going to be the side length of the pentagon, and a is the pentagon's radius or apothem. Okay, so we're going to use this picture to start. We have volume equals 1/3 times 1/2 times 5 is our side length times 5 times 3 is our apothem, all times 73, which is the height of the pyramid. So volume equals 1/3 times 37.5 times 73. 37.5 times 73 is going to be 2737.5. We're going to multiply that times 1/3. And our volume is going to equal 912.5 feet cubed, making sure we include that cube on our units. All right. Lastly, I'm here to help you guys, so please, before taking your test, let me know if you were confused at all. You can email me, leave a comment on the Google Classroom, or ask me to go over problems during our Google Meet. Email me at brobinson@sapublicschools.com, all right? And lastly, don't forget, our Google Meets this week are different. So Tuesday, we're going to have B Day, periods 5 through 8. Wednesday is still a support day, so I will answer any emails that you have during that time. And Thursday is A Day, periods 1 through 4 will be meeting. Okay? And the assignments we have due this week, we have the Volume of Pyramids worksheet, which is going to be due Thursday at 11:59, and the volume test, which is going to be due next Tuesday at 11:59. All right? Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help, and have a great rest of your day.